Hello everyone! Are you wondering about glaciers on Mars? Let's explore! Glaciers, massive bodies of ice formed from the accumulation and compaction of snow over long periods, have played a significant role in shaping the Martian landscape and climate throughout its history. While Mars is primarily known for its dry and arid conditions, evidence suggests that glaciers may have existed in various regions of the planet, particularly in the past when Mars had a different climate. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for the presence of glaciers on Mars comes from the discovery of features known as glacial landforms. These include elongated ridges, streamlined hills, and U-shaped valleys, which bear striking similarities to glacial landforms found on Earth. These features suggest that glaciers may have once flowed across the Martian surface, carving out valleys and shaping the landscape much like glaciers do on Earth. In addition to surface features, scientists have identified deposits of ice and frozen water in several regions of Mars, including the polar ice caps and mid-latitude regions. These deposits are composed of water ice mixed with dust and other materials and are thought to represent remnants of ancient glaciers and ice sheets that once covered large portions of the planet. The polar ice caps of Mars, located at the North and South Poles, are the most well-known repositories of ice on the planet. These ice caps consist of a combination of water ice and frozen carbon dioxide, or dry ice, and are thought to contain vast reserves of frozen water that could have accumulated over millions of years. While the polar ice caps are predominantly composed of permanent ice, they also undergo seasonal variations, with the ice expanding and contracting in response to changes in temperature and atmospheric conditions. In addition to the polar ice caps, scientists have identified numerous other locations on Mars where glaciers may have once existed. These include high-latitude regions, such as the Hellas Basin and the Northern Plains, as well as mid-latitude regions, such as the Valles Marineris Canyon System and the Medusae Fossae Formation. Evidence for past glaciers in these areas comes from the presence of glacial landforms, ice-rich deposits, and other geological features that indicate the movement and presence of ice. The formation and evolution of glaciers on Mars are closely linked to changes in the planet's climate and environmental conditions over time. It is believed that Mars experienced periods of relatively warm and wet conditions in its early history, during which liquid water flowed freely on the surface and glaciers formed in regions with favorable conditions for ice accumulation. However, as the planet cooled and its atmosphere thinned, much of this surface water disappeared, leaving behind frozen remnants of ancient glaciers and ice sheets. Studying glaciers on Mars provides valuable insights into the planet's past climate, geologic history, and potential for habitability. By examining the distribution, composition, and morphology of glacial features, scientists can reconstruct the environmental conditions that prevailed on Mars billions of years ago and better understand how the planet's climate has evolved over time. Furthermore, glaciers on Mars may hold clues to the planet's present and future water resources and the potential for human exploration and colonization. Understanding the location and extent of ice deposits can help identify regions where water may be accessible for future missions and where human settlements could be established. Additionally, studying the dynamics of Martian glaciers can provide valuable information for assessing the risks and challenges associated with long-term human presence on the planet. In summary, while Mars is often thought of as a cold and dry desert world, evidence suggests that glaciers may have played a significant role in shaping its landscape and climate. By studying the distribution, morphology, and composition of glacial features, scientists can unravel the mysteries of Mars' icy past and better understand its present-day environment and potential for future exploration. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.